Welcome back. My name is Grover. I invite you to share your comments on this and all of our posts. If you find the information useful, please like and share us. Also, subscribe to this channel for updates and more useful information. We're going to talk about what we've learned over the past 30-day challenge, what to do with that information, and how, as we recap, how we can track our spending and to discover the holes in our budget. For those of you who are new to the channel, we invite you to get started on this 30-day challenge quickly, okay, to eliminate bad debt from your life. And we're going to do it and tell you how at the end of the video. Now, back to the challenge. After the 30-day challenge, I noticed, or should I say discovered, that I spend way too much money on fast food. The program pointed out, and I am embarrassed to say how much. Let's just say I spend more in that area than I do on my monthly groceries, my pet products, all of that combined. Okay, so when I ask myself, where did my money go? Now I know for me that that's a hole in my budget in the areas of fast food. The problem for me is I did not notice $5 here, $10.50 over there. I did not notice when I spent on meals under $12.50. You know, sometimes that was meals for two. Who notices a pack of gum here? Who noticed the number 2 over there? No one notices that. Now that I see the areas in my budget where I can shift my money without hurting my financial health and now improve my physical health, I purchased a far infrared sauna for my weight loss. It doesn't make sense to fix your financial life and be too sick to enjoy the fruits of your labor. You notice that I used the food metaphor there, didn't you? Yeah. So the point is that when you find the holes in your budget, you can make new choices. Okay, it's all about choices, about options that are important to you. For example, that's the example that why we use the name Shift for Freedom. It's making small changes for great results. Please comment on your 30-day challenge journey and what you plan to do with your newfound money. And think about your newfound money and check out the other videos, which is step 2, the debt elimination tool, and step 3, which is taxes. And if you're going to, get a refund or not, because if you are, you're being cheated. Now, as promised, we invite you to join us on our quest to eliminate debt quickly from your lives and have financial apps to do it, and educational products to fix and improve your credit issues and maintain an excellent credit. This program is used for 30 days and the challenge is called the Cash Flow Manager. In closing, we invite you to share your comments on this and all the subjects, as we said earlier. If you find the information useful, please like and share us. Subscribe to this channel for updates as we reveal new strategies. And remember to keep an open mind and shift for freedom.